99% of students are stuck when they are being told to express one letter in terms of another. So in this tutorial, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to go about it to always get the right answer in your examination. So if this video is informative, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share to support the channel. So if you are told to express x in terms of p, m, and d in this kind of question, what this implies is that you are to find, or in other words, make x the subject of the formula. Make x the subject of the formula. You are given p is equals to square root of mx minus d, and to express x in terms of p, m, and d. What this English is simply telling us is to make x the subject of the formula. So what you need to do, the solution to this equation is simply by, one, you have to square both sides. You square both sides. Why are we squaring both sides? So that we get rid of this square root sign. So what you need to do is p, you square both sides. Square both side, okay? When you square both sides, it's going to be p square is equals to mx minus d square. Are you following? So we want to remove this square root. So that is why, that is the main reason we are squaring both sides, okay? When you square both sides, you are going to have this one will be, this one will cancel this, okay? So we'll p square is equals to mx minus d, okay? Now we want to make this x the subject of the formula. So this is what we are asked to express. That is, this is what we are asked to find. So in order to find this one, you need to add d to both sides. Add d to both sides. You add d to both sides. That will be p square plus d is equals to mx minus d plus d. Are you following? So you are going to be left with p square plus d is equals to mx. Okay? Now, where I get it close to the answer, x is what we are told to look for. So what do you do next? What you do next is to divide. You divide both sides by m. Okay? When you divide both sides by m, you have p square plus d is equals to p square plus d divided by m is equals to mx divided by m. Okay? So this will cancel this. This will cancel this. So you have x is equals to p square plus d over m. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. Okay? So this is your final answer. So at this juncture, I hope you are able to grab something. So if you are still confused, leave your question in the comment section. I'll be responding to every single one. So if this video was informative, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share to support the channel. My name remains Olusegun Abuoke. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.